Hello friends, we are back with the next video and this is how we have created this plaits look from the top till the end, and this is how we are taking the parts of the hair and try to make this plaits, and this is how we have created 3 or 4 plaits, and now we are tying with the matching bits over here. Now moving towards with the next look, this is how we are trying to comb and create this beautiful shape over here, taking one part of the hair and then the other part. This is how we are trying to give the shape over here. One by one we are taking the parts of the hair and we are designing this beautiful shape. This is a hairstyle which goes with your beautiful princess dress. You can go it with the kids also, or you can tie it with your Barbie dolls. Now it's time to move further and create another beautiful hairstyle, and this is how we are taking the hair out and making this kind of look over here. This is how we are taking the other parts of the hair and this is how we are folding it further and creating this look. Now it's time to create another beautiful hairstyle, and this time it's for your doll, and this is how you can give this beautiful nice hair look to your favorite Barbie doll, and this is how you can tie it with the matching bits. Now it's time to move further and create the new hairstyle, and this is how it is like this. We are taking the parts of the hair and we are trying to give the shape over here after folding it out, and this is how we are taking the parts of the hair and we are tying this plaits over here and making this beautiful look over here and tying with the help of clip. A matching clip, you can use it with your bun, and this is how it is looking when we'll tie it and complete it. Now this is how we have created this beautiful another hairstyle. What we will do now, we have tied 2 ponies and we are taking these plaits, and this is how we are making this looks over here, taking out the hair and folding it so that you can create this kind of look over here and tie it further so that it goes like a plaits over here, and this is a hairstyle which will go for your kids. Now it's time to make another look, and this is how we are making this bun maker stick, and this is how we are rolling the hair and making this beautiful plaits or a nice bun. Now it's time to create another look, and this is how after making 2 ponies on top and below, and this is how we are trying to make this plaits look over here, and this is how we are trying the plaits further, and this is how we are making this beautiful plaits look over here from top till bottom, and this is how it is a beautiful hairstylish look that we have created and matched bits. Now moving further with the next look, this is how we are trying to make this ponies over here and taking this hair further. This is how we are giving this nice looks from the top, and this is how it is going, taking the hair one by one, and now it's time to make the plaits in the lower part, and this is how we are making the plaits and tying the rubber bands. Now we'll make another look, and this is how we are taking the parts of the hair and using the foldings. This is how we have created this beautiful look.